There's a quiet little corner in the heart of Mason Town, where the trees line up like memories and the sunset settle down. There's a place on Bay Pointe Drive where the lights feel warm and new. Updated rooms and open space just waiting there for you. Quartz countertops shining bright, a kitchen made for peaceful nights, a roof that's new, a life renewed, and a primary suite built just for two. Oh, Bay Pointe Drive, where the worries fade. Low maintenance living in a life well made, with a custom closet built to hold your dreams inside. You'll find your heart coming home to Bay Pointe Drive. In Mason, Ohio, you're near everything you need. Work and play, good people, and a life built to succeed. Church on Sunday morning, pickleball in the afternoon. Shopping, dining, laughter rising underneath the moon. The stove and microwave gleam with that 3-year glow. The updates whisper softly, welcome home, take it slow. New garage door humming, opening to something more. A place to start your mornings, or rest when the day is sore. Oh, Bay Pointe Drive, where the worries fade. Low maintenance living and a life well made, with a custom closet built to hold your dreams inside. You'll find your heart coming home to Bay Pointe Drive. Maybe you're a first-time buyer, maybe starting something new, maybe downsizing your story to a simpler point of view. And Mason wraps around you like a hometown lullaby, where community runs deep and joy is always close by. Oh, Bay Pointe Drive, where the worries fade, where comfort grows and memories are made. Mason living near everything you dream of in life. Work, play, people, church, pickleball, and late night bites. Open the door, step inside, and let your future find you on Bay Pointe Drive.